Welcome to Neuro Meadow, an immersive educational metaverse where you, as a robot, embark on a journey to master the English language. Through exploration and interaction, learning becomes fun, engaging, and unforgettable. As a robot, you will experience life just like a child, playing in parks, visiting the zoo, fishing by the lake, and even going on adventures into mysterious caves. In every activity, you will encounter new words and phrases to expand your vocabulary. Whether it's naming objects or practicing sentences, every moment in Neuro Meadow is an opportunity to learn. Explore diverse locations to immerse yourself in English. At the beach, you'll learn about nature while playing fun games. Or head to the forest and discover words like tree, river, and animals. Activities like fishing not only enhance your language skills but also reward you with fun achievements and treasures. Visit the supermarket to learn words for everyday items like apple, carrot, or basket, and practice forming simple sentences like, I need an apple. In the garden, you'll plant seeds, water flowers, and learn words like soil, watering can, and growth. At the zoo, you'll meet animals like lions, elephants, and parrots, learning their names, habitats, and the sounds they make. Embark on thrilling adventures like exploring caves, where you'll solve word-based puzzles and unlock hidden treasures, all while expanding your vocabulary. Teamwork is key in Neuro Meadow. Collaborate with other players to complete tasks, solve riddles, and unlock new areas together. Learning a new language can feel intimidating, but with AI in Neuro Meadow, there's no need to fear mistakes. Unlike traditional settings, our AI encourages exploration and learning without judgment. Mistakes aren't punished. They're embraced as part of the learning process. In Neuro Meadow, every error is a step closer to mastering English, making the journey stress-free and empowering for players of all ages. In Neuro Meadow, learning English is not just about studying, it's about living it. Experience the joy of discovery, adventure, and connection as you master a new language.